Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. This is the first video for the new year 2023. I want to keep filming videos. I think I'm just going to do my vlogs on Sunday, honestly. Because when I try to do them all during the week, it doesn't work. Or just put them out on Sunday. So that's what I'm going to try to do. Put my vlogs out on Sunday. And any other content that I have, I'm going to put it, try to put it during the week. But I'm a very busy woman. You got to know that I'm always working and thinking about you guys. But you know, your girl be busy. And I want to say this, I do appreciate everyone that has been following me on the shorts. Y'all give me life, y'all give me inspiration. Don't ever think that I'm not grateful. I'm always grateful, always will be grateful. But anyway, I'm in the grocery store right now. I just did a short and I just want to show y'all how much Panera bread is dedicated to Giant. I have not seen this in any other grocery store. They have a whole section just for Panera breads. OMG. What the F? Y'all, do you see this? Am I the only person that gets excited about this? Like, I feel like I'm the only person that gets excited about Panera bread. Y'all, Panera, you guys need to sponsor me. I love their stuff. And they have all this stuff here. Down to, I just did a short, down to the mac and cheese. What? I had to grab it. You know, it had to happen. And then, what? Oh my God. Yo, oh my goodness. I just grabbed the big, I got a bunch of them. Y'all, they in it to win it, okay? I got my car, I got me some mac and cheese, like a bunch of stuff for work because I'm not about to be spending my bread, but yeah, I got this. This is totally not on my grocery list. I actually have a list. Don't look at my handwriting, it's very ugly, but yeah. This is what I got so far. You guys, so I arrived back home. I left out of the grocery store. The grocery store was very promising, but right now I'm about to clean up this room, vacuum the floor a little bit. My place is not super crazy, but it's looking a little janky. Like, my cover's all looking a mess. I threw away the old food that I had in the refrigerator that was left for dead. I mean, literally left for dead. It said December 2022 on it. I mean, December's not that bad, but it's a new month, so I just threw the food away. I got all new food in my refrigerator, so now I'm about to clean this bed, and let's get into it. Let's go.
Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I would never get caught up pulling with all these other doors. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. Yeah, it's just you. just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up falling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unrolling, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep them.
Okay, you guys, so now I'm about to vacuum the floor. I haven't vacuumed in like a whole week. Let me turn the light on. So I'm about to vacuum the floor. I don't know where to prop y'all up. Just have to keep you on this desk. Whoops. Keep you guys on the desk.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me. 'Cause you are mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down, would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up falling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unrolling, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you.
A daggone shirt just got in my vacuum. I'm about to empty out this vacuum right quick. I'm gonna be right back. Cause this vacuum has so much dirt in it. Like literally, there's so much. Look at all of that. Like I'm about to empty this out. Yo, this is so complicated. Trying to get this on. I hate taking this thing off. I'm gonna have to buy a new vacuum, guys, because this is ridiculous. Trying to get this to, like, it's so complicated. You have to twist this part on and then turn it around. It's just giving a headache. And now the filter part. What's up with this one? Be happy. This is why I don't like emptying it, because trying to get it back in is like the worst part. You have to like center it a certain way. And it's so simple. So fucking simple. I'm going to sit down. Because if you do not know, your girl is exhausted. Do you understand? I am tired. Let me tell y'all something. Anything you want in life is hard work. And me personally, for the new year, I got to get my grind on. I got other projects that I'm going to be doing, guys. I'm not going to release it until it's ready. But just know, I'm working harder than ever. And I'm going to try to get out more videos. Like, it just be so much. Thank God YouTube came up with shorts, because sometimes these long edited videos, sometimes you be editing a video for 10 minutes, it takes an hour. So, you know, especially if you're doing everything by yourself, because I literally do everything by myself. I don't know what's up with this, y'all, but I don't know. I wish somebody could help me. You're supposed to put the grooves in, and this dust is getting in my damn mouth. What to put the grooves in? I don't know. In a minute, I'm about to say forget it. You're supposed to put this part in. I am struggling. When I say struggling, I'm struggling. Hopefully I can get this back on the right way. Okay, let me come back to y'all.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young and so free. Now we getting wild, yeah, they gon' talk about me, 'cause you are mine, so you better let them know about me. Tell me if you're down, would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up pulling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know. If you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. If you're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you.
Table looks great. That's a work in progress. But the floor, y'all, that floor is everything. Okay? The floor is everything. I made my bed. So, yeah. Yeah, y'all. So this is the food. This is not what I had planned to eat, but I wanted a salad so bad. And my thermostat, my refrigerator is doing the most. First, I had to replace groceries after it melted the other day, which I was super annoyed. So I went to the grocery store 3 times. And then on top of it, I just got a salad and the lettuce is completely frozen. So I'm eating that and then I'm gonna eat this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get a video every time I upload a video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.